Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make checkerboard, pinwheel, marble icebox cookies using only 3 ingredients. Morinaga is the most famous one, but you can find in many brands. They all contain the similar ingredients. If you know hot cake mix, it's a very popular Japanese pancake mix. You can make many sweets by using it. I'm going to show you how to make cookies in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients to make 1 pattern, 15 cookies. Let's make the plain dough first. Cream half of the batter at the room temperature in a bowl with a spatula. Then add half of the hot cake mix and mix well. When the dough starts to crumble, use your hands to mix together until formed. To make chocolate dough, cream the other half of the batter in a bowl with a spatula. Add the other half of the hot cake mix and cocoa powder, then mix well with a spatula. When the dough starts to crumble, use your hands to mix together until formed. To make checkerboard cookies, make 2 rectangular sticks. Wrap in plastic wrap and cool in the fridge for about 30 minutes to set. Of course, if the dough is too soft, you can put in the fridge longer or put in the freezer to set and chill. Cut each into 3 and swap the middle. And again, cut into 3 and swap the middle. Again, wrap in plastic wrap and cool in the fridge for about 15 minutes to set. To make pinwheel cookies, make 2 thin sheets of dough. Then cool in the fridge for about 30 minutes to set. Place the sheet of chocolate dough on top of the plain dough. To get a nice swirl pattern, you wanted to make the chocolate dough shorter. Now start rolling. Again, wrap in plastic wrap and cool in the fridge for about 15 minutes to set. Yes, you can make a piece of cookie with scraps. To make marble cookies, divide the dough into 3-4 pieces. Place the plain and chocolate dough alternately. Then fold the dough for about 5 times to make marble pattern. Wrap in plastic wrap and cool in the fridge for about 30 minutes to set. When the cookies are ready to cut, preheat the oven. Slice the cookie dough and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for about 15 minutes. You can cool the cookies on the baking sheet. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Itadakimasu! じゃあこれどれから食べる？こっちから食べようか。あ、やっぱり美味しいね。
美味しい。
味見してと同じ。チャンネル登録お願いします。決闘弾押ってね。